to be showing you how to make an airstrike bomb. So you need scaffolding, some rails, and minecart and TNT. First, I'm going to tower up with the scaffolding a little. Then once I get to the top, I will add 4 corners to it, so it's a bit like a star, kind of. Then I'm going to put 1 rail and 1 TNT minecart on each of the edges. Then on this block here, beside the edge, I'm gonna tower up a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same with all the others. And it doesn't exactly have to be the same height. I'm just gonna make the same height because it works a little better that way. But you don't exactly have to do it. So once you did that, put 1 rail and 1 TNT minecart on each of the top of the scaffolding towers. Then lastly, go down to the center, put 1 rail and 1 TNT minecart. Now you need to break the one at the bottom, and it should fall. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.